Do you ever wonder that your confidence gets shaky the very moment you need it? And why does it happen often? Just to you? Not to you, but to many. Does it have connection with something else? Well, I'm prepared with my subject knowledge. Well, I'm prepared with the dresses that I wear. Well, I'm prepared with everything that I have learned in the courses of confidence building, in the books that I have read about self-confidence, etc., 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 etc. But still, why do I lose my self-confidence? Why does it get shaky the very moment I need it? Well, I'll give you a different perspective to it. It can get shaky because of your self-esteem, not because of the knowledge that you have about the subject matter. Does it sound new to you? Well, it has perspective in the psychology of human brain. Now, self-esteem is way different than what you have considered or thought of its connection with self-confidence. It can be, self-confidence can be the byproduct of your self-esteem, and it can not be at some time, but self-confidence definitely is not equivalent to self-esteem. What is self-esteem in that case? Of course, it is the perspective, your inner perspective, the inner value about yourself. How do you introspect your values, your upbringing, what you have valued the most in your life, and what you have adhered, what you have stuck with, everything, the value that and the perspective and understanding about your inner self is your self-esteem. Now, sometimes it can empower your self-confidence, and most of the time it can diminish your self-confidence when it is needed the most. Does it sound familiar to you that one can be really confident to the situation in the work that they do? They can go on the stage, they can do amazing job, they can be really great artist with piano, with anything, right? They can sing well, they can dance well, but within their heart, just after the performance, they are the ones who will be sitting in front of the mirror and will say, I suck, I'm not good at it, or well, I'm depressed because of 1,000 things, and at times they get into not just depression, they end up committing suicide. Does it sound familiar to you in the cases that you have read and studied and have known around? Yes, it does. That's the difference between self-esteem and self-confidence. One can be super confident in the situation but very low on self-esteem. So my advice, my suggestion to you is work on your self-esteem. It will empower your self-confidence. Now, if you wish to know more about how to work on your self-esteem, how to really have great self-esteem about yourself, self-esteem is obviously about yourself, then do write me in the comment section below about, yes, I do wish to know more about self-esteem and how can we work upon it. But just the quick tip, the art of gratitude is going to empower your self-esteem. Not immediately, not overnight, but eventually if you practice, it does work. It does help. So I'll see you in some other videos, and I'll talk to you more and more in so many upcoming videos. By then, stay connected to Pep Talk India's channel. Now, have you subscribed us yet? If not, do it right now. And don't forget to, of course, click on the bell icon so that you get the notification. Do I really have to talk about it a lot? Just do it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay connected, and share the love in the video to million people in the world. Bye-bye.